about to leave. Already.
You guys normally don't see Daniel with dogs.
Oh, do you like the grays? I cleaned them.
I get these for one day. Just one pair and you get like 5.
I bought 3. All right, we're just get on the road. We're gonna go to LA. We're gonna go to Autocon. We went last year, so I think it's kind of cool. What we'll do is we'll cut back to some of the old clips from last year, and we'll see how much weight we put on over the last. I put on a lot, but let's go. Let's go to LA. You guys ready for the show?
Yeah. Did you order the tickets?
I thought you ordered the tickets.
I don't got the money to buy everyone tickets here.
Those tickets were like $25 a pop.
I literally thought you had them though.
Nah.
We'll find a way in. Let's sneak in.
Oh my god.
Let's sneak in.
For real?
I don't want to go
We're driving all the way to LA to go and try and sneak into Autocon.
We gotta pay dues for another year to be invited out, like TJ Hunt. We gotta pay dues for another year. So this year they didn't give us the call. So I think what we need to do is we need to show them how broken their security system is. I guarantee it, bro. We can sneak right in. I think we can walk right in the door. That's what I think. You think we can get in?
I doubt it.
Well,
We'll try it.
I hope so. Let's see if we. Oh, so we'll title this video "Sneaking into Autocon." Only if we get in though, because if we get rejected, they're like, "Dude, go home."
Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway. Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for.
Oh, we love Flash. What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing, man?
Yeah.
Supremium. Opening up Supremium.
Pretty good. So this whole event is going to be like a cluster of running into friends, old friends, new friends, some of our customers, and that's why we show up these things. Obviously at this one, we don't have a booth, and I think that's, for us, it's more intentional because I want to be able to be present. I want to be able to be in the moment. You know, when you have a booth and you're working on trying to sell product and manage all that, it's just not easy. So this is our time to come in. This is our time to come in and just meet you guys and hang out.
Hey, don't forget to follow Premium, man. Love them.
This guy has the best plugs on the planet. Like, your plugs, dude, will be on all the intros from here on out. I promise you that. I promise you that. So, Gio, the owner of this vehicle, hit me up. He says he wants to do a livery as well. And when I look at that car, I'm just like, dude, I don't know if I want to touch it because it's already perfect. That right there,
That's not your car. That is bad.
I appreciate that. He's talking about the livery that we did on Evan's car, and I guess we're always concerned with how people are going to take those things because most people are used to the color change and just going with a solid color, and that does look cool. But with the evolution of wrapping vehicles, and not even that, it's like we're going to kind of step back in time because liveries were really popular in the Fast and Furious days, you know?
Yeah,
So
I feel like a lot of things from the 2000s are coming back.
It's coming
like
back.
Style, clothing.
it's coming back, but we
cars.
need to tie it up and do it better. So that's what we're trying to do over there.
That's on point. I'm going, like I said, I'm going on record. That's on point. Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's
You can show the car right here. I think it came out dope. I'm
It's
proud of it.
amazing.
You know, like for me, anything that we do, I want to be proud of it when it leaves, and I feel real proud.
Yeah, that one you walk that is like you can't wait for your work to be showed off. It's amazing.
This could be the best team ever right here. Look at this.
What's up, dude? How's it
This
going?
is John. He films at Premium
Nice,
with
dude.
Jefe, and I think camera number 3 is
So
already
this
working
is
his
what
way
you
in.
said was this is my replacement.
Oh my God, you said that?
I'm meeting my replacement. You didn't even say what's up.
What's up? What's up, Premium fam?
Premium.
Hope you guys are having a beautiful week. I don't know what day it is.
I see you brought a napkin.
We're having too much fun. I got bombarded outside. I feel like a badass today.
We'll make our way down that way. and
Making
then
our
we'll
way
make over there.
downtown, walking fast.
What I tell you about shaking your body?
This is the car that we just finished up. And you know what? This video is getting a lot of traction right now. I don't know if you guys know, but it's almost at 100,000 views. Steven, the owner of the car, is a super cool dude. So the fact that his car gets to be spotlighted right here at Toyo booth, probably one of the main booths at the show.
This car right here is known for bad luck. So we promise, guys, we will not lose the cinematics.
In line and I'm like VIP. I'm out of here. I'm gonna come in early.
Ralph. Russell? Hey. Joseph? I thought it was Russell. I wish you would have been like, I'll be Russell today. I Doug. I don't mind. Justin. What is it? Joseph. Joseph! Oh my God! I'm joking, bro.
What is my name?
I'm joking. Tell me the first letter and I'll tell you the rest.
J.
J?
Big wing.
Joseph.
That's what he.
Joseph. Dave. Sorry, Joseph. I'm good to see you, man.
Yeah.
This is goals for the truck though. Like the color, the accent color, the tires, the wheels. I mean, this guy has everything.
How's this car holding up, Daniel?
You tell me. You know, that's one thing that we always look for every time I see a car that we've wrapped, especially like one like this. It's been a year. We go over it, we thoroughly look and make sure everything's holding down, especially the fact that he's showing at shows. I want to make sure he always looks good. So all my customers know, and Sal, you know, if anything ever happens, you let me know so we can make sure your car always looks good. But a year later, that's what you got.
He is up. 45 seconds in. He's got a minute and some change to go. If he ends up for 2 minutes, he wins $120. So it's pretty hard, but I think you can do it. Let's get it a shot. All right, whenever you're ready, 2 minutes is the challenge. One minute, 11 seconds.
Wow. Yo, please get that on video. That's the dopest thing ever. I'm trying to get more Mustangs in the shop.
I'm trying to get more American muscle in the car.
I've been messaging to do like a collab with you guys.
Okay.
Completely
We have to do it
different.
when no one's there. We don't want to get ran over.
Later, guys. Later.
All right, so we're leaving the show, and I can tell you that all these guys feel the same way. It's super humbling to be able to meet so many people that appreciate and enjoy what we're doing, whether it be rapping or just the content that we're putting out. It's amazing, because I never expected that. It was just cool to meet everybody and just feel the love. I felt it. You felt it, right? It was crazy.
It was
you know,
really
Christian's,
cool.
it's his,
I'm brand new.
This is his first week here, and you know, I think people love you, bro.
I have
Yeah,
people
man,
coming
I
up,
think
so
it's just cool. Thank you guys. If you guys were here and you came up and said hi, amazing. I'll never forget this, and I promise you that I'll never ever forget this. We're gonna head home. We got about a 2-hour drive home. Yeah, so we're gonna get in there, go ride home, take in the moment, enjoy it. Thank you guys so much. You guys made this experience amazing, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Reppin' the engine, Johnny cracking jokes. Pulling pranks on John and Edwin, those the little bros. Somebody tell Jefe put me on the show. They rap cars, we rap bars. We in the field, sound the alarm. When your car pull out the garage, you gon' think it was a movie.